Hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Nick Armenis, and in today's video, I'm going to cover off get started with Google Ads, pick the right campaign type. So today we're covering how to pick the right campaign for you or your business. So choosing the perfect campaign. Google Ads offers advertisers a variety of ways to reach their customers. In this video, I will show you 1. What are Google Ads? 2. What campaign types are available to you? 3. Where do these ads appear? 4. How to choose the best option for your business. And then lastly, how to best set up your business for Google Ads success. So by the end of this video, you will have clarity on what campaign type will best suit your needs. So firstly, what are Google Ads? So what are Google Ads? Google Ads, previously called Google AdWords, is a paid form of digital advertising. It allows advertisers to give exposure to their products and services across Google's platforms. Your ads can be seen by billions of people who use Google to look for answers, compare products, seek reviews, watch videos on YouTube, use Google Maps to find places, or read materials across the internet and much, much more. The Google advertising channels. These here are the main forms of Google advertising channels. We have shopping, YouTube, display, search, discover, Gmail, and maps. Don't get too overwhelmed now. We will cover all of these off so you better understand each one and how it may suit your needs. The different Google ad campaign types. So based on what I just showed you, all the different channels, once you get started within Google Ads, you may have seen once you press that plus symbol, the blue one, or you have clicked new campaign, this is the first screen here that you come across. And it's quite often a little bit confusing. Which campaign type should you choose? We have search, performance max, display, shopping, video, app, smart, local, and discovery. Which of these to choose can be very difficult, but I hope to show you by the end of this video to give you the experience and ability to choose what's right for you. So how do we choose which one of these is right for our business? There is a little blurb under each of those, and you may be able to work that out, but this next step here will show you exactly how to choose it for your business. So choosing the right campaign type, there's 3 main factors that I look at when considering which campaign type to choose. The first is your marketing goals. The second, your overall brand strategy. 3, how much time you can invest. Now this goes hand in hand with your level of experience. So depending on whether you're a beginner, advanced, will depend which type of campaign you choose. The Google advertising objectives. So what are your campaign objectives? Are you wanting more sales? So do you have an e-commerce website and you want to drive sales in an app, phone, or in store? Do you want leads? Do you just want traffic? Do you just want people to visit your website? Do you have product or brand consideration you wish to enhance? Do you want more brand awareness or reach? Do you have an app you're promoting? Are you wanting more local store visits or promotions? When in doubt, guys, you can actually create a campaign type without a goal guidance. So being clear what your objective is will allow me to equip you with the knowledge to select the right campaign. So a sales campaign will actually need something different to leads, to traffic, etc. So if you're an e-commerce store, you're probably going to want to select sales. If you are running a business that generates leads, you're probably going to want to select leads, but we'll get more into that in the next step. So Google campaigns explain. This is where I'm going to actually explain to you what each of these campaigns are and what they do. So Google search campaigns, you may have seen these at the top of the search results. I typed in electrician near me, and these were the ads that popped up. Now what appears does change, right? It's not always the same businesses, it's not always the same ad copy. All of these change, but what they have in common is that Google search campaigns are text ads that let you reach people while they're actively searching for something like an electrician on Google. So whether you have a product or service, this can work. So if you're selling the actual fan or the lights, You can show ads for these as well up here, or if you're the service provider, the electrician, you also can sell your service or the ability to get in front of these people with Google search ads. Search ads are really good for generating leads or even direct sales. They're perfect for both services and physical products. So whether you have a service or a physical product, you can make use of Google search ads. Google search campaigns are high intent marketing. So we aren't giving people disruption-based marketing here. We're not trying to disrupt what they're doing. We're trying to present them with exactly what they're looking for at the right time. The good thing with Google search campaigns are they're very, very easy to set up. You just choose the keywords to target, write the text, and you're pretty much ready to go. Google shopping campaigns. Google shopping campaigns are the bread and butter for retail and e-commerce businesses. So if someone types red leather handbags, this is what you might see at the top of the search results. And then also in the tab next to there where it says shopping, these are paid ads here. There are also free listings here as well. But Google shopping campaigns, we are able to sync our product catalog, so our list of products on our e-commerce website, with Google through the Merchant Center, and then we can harness these purpose-built e-commerce product listing ads. As you can see, we have an image, a title, a price point, brand name, and then often things like free delivery. And then once you click the ad, you can actually often see more information, a description, or depending when you click it and where, you'll be taken directly to the seller's website. So this will link to your actual website. These ads are ideal for brands and retailers wanting to appear in front of customers actively searching for what they sell. In this example, red leather handbags. So listings appear in the search results and, as I said, in the shopping tab, and actually in things in areas like the image tab as well. Store owners can also use local inventory ads to promote products at their physical locations as well. So Google Shopping is fantastic. It is only really for e-commerce websites selling products. Google display campaigns. You may have seen these browsing across the internet. There's loads of different things you can do with them, but basically we're wanting to reach a relevant audience with visually engaging ads as they browse millions of websites, apps, and Google-owned properties. Google display is a great way to expand your reach and stay top of mind with the audience beyond just Google search. It also allows us to give a visual representation of what we're selling as well. It's great for reach, brand awareness, and additional exposure. In my eyes, it is ideal for remarketing to your existing traffic through your audiences that you build within Google Ads or Google Analytics. The next campaign type are YouTube video campaigns. If you've ever been on YouTube, you would have seen these. So this allows us to show video ads on YouTube, the second largest search engine in the world, and then use video ads to make people aware of your product or consider buying your product, all right? So whether you're a brand or selling a product or trying to drive leads, this is a really great way through a video to drive these conversions. So use the Drive Conversions campaign subtype to set up action-focused video ads that will get you more conversions for whatever event you're optimizing for. It allows you to also expand your reach past just Google search into a completely different area, in an area where your competitors may not even be playing. You can follow up with people who've already viewed your ads or visited your site as well, so they're really good for remarketing purposes as well. The next type is Google Discovery campaigns. As you can see, these are Google's answer to social media image-rich ads. These inspire your consumers as you showcase your brand or products in visually engaging images rendered natively across Google properties. As you can see there, comes up on YouTube, on the Discovery network there, on your Google app, or on Gmail. So these allow you to make use of Google's algorithm to find the right audience to drive the results that you want. These are good for both e-commerce websites and also local or service-based businesses, but really, really powerful visual way to get your product or brand across. App campaign types obviously are just to drive app sales or increase sales within your app. This campaign type uses information from your app to automatically optimize ads across search, Play, YouTube, Discover, and over 3 million websites and apps. You can drive installs, engagements, signups for your app on mobile devices. It's easy to set up, automate targeting, bidding and ad creation for optimal performance. Smart campaigns are the easiest way to automate your campaigns and get your ads up and running. So these are probably good for people that are beginners, that don't have much experience setting ads up. These are a really quick way. Enter your business information, create a few ads, and Google finds the best targeting to get you the most for your time and money. You can do it for both sales and leads, so you can increase sales and signups for your products or services. As I said, easy to set up. A lot of it is automated entirely through Google Ads dashboard. And advanced optimization, Google basically will optimize the ads for you. The newest addition is Performance Max campaigns. These are completely new to Google, only recently in the last few months, and allows advertisers in a single campaign to get access to all of Google Ads inventory channels through a single campaign. So all of the channels I just said, you can basically target through a Performance Max campaign on its own. The benefits of this are obviously simple to set up and both manage, and all pretty much automated optimization. Google's algorithm does the heavy lifting to find your ideal customer. Performance Max campaigns increase conversions and value. Automation optimizes your budget and bids across channels to help capture new conversion opportunities in real time. So it'll factor in tons of different things: location, where the person is, what they're looking for, what exactly they've been searching for in the past, takes all these and decides what to bid and when. It will find new customers as well, so unlock new audience segments by using real-time understanding of user intent, behavior, and context to show up in the right moments for more relevant ads. So now that you have a good understanding of the different campaign types, how do you go about selecting the right campaign for your business? So what should you choose? You will more than likely be using a mix of all of these campaigns together. However, there are some general rules of thumb. Shopping ads, as I've mentioned, are mainly for e-commerce businesses selling physical goods. So if you are an e-commerce business, you will mainly be using Google Shopping ads. Search ads are best for local or service-based businesses that generate leads or inquiries. However, e-commerce websites can also use these as well. Discovery and display campaigns are great for marketing and brand awareness. Discovery and display campaigns are great for remarketing and brand awareness. YouTube video ads require video creative but can be used by any business. I would, however, say that unless you are an advanced user, YouTube video ads are probably left down the track after you get a good understanding of the other areas. Apps and campaigns are only for companies with apps. If you're time poor or don't want to really delve much deeper than this, you could use Smart or Performance Max campaigns, whether you are an e-commerce or a service or physical business. So I hope you've had a good overview of selecting the right campaign type. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. In the next video, I want to show you how to set up your first Google ad campaign. Thanks so much and see you in the next video.